I sold that, what was it, the Dell? Yeah, to Romy and Mike at the farm, but I guess they don't have a mouse to use with it, so I'm going to head on over there. And I guess they're doing the usual farm stuff, so I might as well go over there right now because they're moving very soon. And this is going to be the last time I'm going to see them for fucking ever, so. Yep, a couple more weekends and they're gone. Nice freaking day. Holy shit, it's got to be like 20 something degrees right now. Oh, hello horsies. There's Trixie. Man, it's growing in out here. This is nuts. What is all this?
Horse jumps.
What, are you selling them or something?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought maybe,
Horse jumps, Marie.
I thought you were doing some creative horse jumping or something. You never know. You never know. So this one's got problems too?
Yeah.
Is that a Dell too?
Yeah.
Okay, then maybe this plug would work with this and then we've got problem solved.
Yes, that's possible.
That's very possible.
Oh.
I never thought about that.
Okay, well let me give you this one.
This charger works and the other one doesn't work. Okay, so I'm going to take the big one back. This one likes to scream. Repairing Peters, what do we got here? This is another Dell they had, so got 2 power supplies. Oh god! Okay, that's what we have to stop. Probably be smarter if I had some time with this, but I don't know why it's doing that. There's a problem solved. Beeping stopped. And bus driver. Hey folks, how you doing, kitty?
Ooh, other kitty smells.
Yeah, I probably smell like a big black fuzzy boy, don't I? Yes. I'm crazy kitty. Smell like Ben. Try.
I know, Mike can't fit into them.
We got some more free boots. Where'd you get these ones from?
Thrift store.
Cool.
But they're yours if they fit you because I don't have any use to keep them. They don't fit Mike and that's it.
They sort of fit me. No, wait a minute. Do they fit?
Looks snug.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Okay.
Let me think. That's gonna be a lot of pain very soon.
This is yours, Donican.
Yes.
Yes.
You're not gonna use it for yourself?
All your games are on here. I'll borrow it sometimes.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, that's a good one. I thought that you guys would use that one, but whatever.
Okay.
It'll work for now. And there's games on it. Games on. Oof. Good place for the couch. I like your outdoor couch location.
That's our...
You can just chill outside and you just need a TV right there.
I know this couch needs a new home, right? It's got to go. But me and Mike were sitting on it like this today, and we went, wait a second, we got to put this couch in the train station.
Yeah, the train.
There's a train station on the property, Marie.
What do you mean?
So the property borders on the ENN train
and you can
track.
And you actually have access to this?
And there's a train station on the property. It belongs to the property.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
That is super cool. Yeah, bring it up there for sure.
It's totally covered. It's like this. The train station's like this except half the size.
Well, he'll like that. He likes his trains.
Yeah. And we're going to put the couch in it and then we'll just...
You'll just have a place to chill. Yeah. Sounds good. That's all cleared up, eh? Back there. Mm-hmm. Open up the field a bit. Yeah. More space for the horsies. Julie, Charlotte, you guys gonna come out? I got some food for you. Yes, I do. Make sure that gate doesn't...
Okay, thank you.
Where are you guys? Look what I got. Look what that is. Remember me? I'm Murray. I never fed you every day for a while. Where's Jersey? Come on, guys. Come on. I got the slops. Where should I put it? Just anywhere? Oh, look at that guy. Look at all that disgusting stuff for you, hey? Doesn't it look yummy? Dudes. There you go, dudes. Can I pet you, too? Oh, maybe I can pet Jersey. Can I pet you, Jersey? Hey, you big stinker. Come here. Come here, you big stinky cow. Oh, there you are. You like that. Whoa. Don't kiss me. I don't think there's anything there I want to touch to give to Jersey. Here, I'll tell you what, Jersey. There's some carrot bits in there if you want to lick that. You want to lick that? Or is that gross? That's disgusting. Too good for Jersey. Alright, that's enough of that. We can go back now. I guess that goes outside. Alright, so the piggy's got fresh water now. And on to chow. And I'll see you girls later. Yes, I will. Thanks for getting the gate there, buddy. It's drop time is over. I always like that painting up there. It's a really good one. Romy, I got slimed by a cow. Drool all down my...
Yeah, he went for a drive.
Okay.
Slime all down my arm, all over my hands.
Good.
Alright, Rob Dog, I'm out of here. Have fun with your computers.
Thank you, Murray.
Everything should work out just fine for that.
Thank you for the Dell Latitude. We love it.
Alrighty. When is Mike's birthday? Is it like today?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
So anything going on next weekend, or is that? Cause that's almost when you're moving, eh?
Bye.
Bye-bye, guys. Pigs fed, water, computer fixed. Good to go. I didn't see Mike though. Mike just kind of took off. I guess he's busy doing stuff. So sorry to see you, Mike, but maybe next weekend. This lawn mowing operation. That's Chris. Alrighty. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.